Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Reza, founder of the optimizationcity.com. In this video, we focus on adding a new constraint in the linear programming. Let's move on.
Let's go to the next part, adding a new constraint. Once a problem has been solved and the optimal solution has been determined, there may be possible where a new constraint need to be added to the existing set of constraints. This new constraint could potentially reduce the feasible region or have no impact on it. This effect can be observed in the following two cases. First case, adding a redundant constraint. As I mentioned before, a redundant constraint is the one that has no impact on the feasible region and therefore does not affect the optimal solution. Referring to previous example as depicted in the diagram below, here, if we add the constraint x1 plus 0.5 x2 is less than 5 to the existing 4 constraint, it will not alter the feasible region. So this is the redundant constraint, and the optimal solution will remain unchanged. Adding an effective constraint. So this is the next part in adding a new constraint. An effective constraint refers to constraint that has an impact on the feasible region, potentially leading to change in optimal solution. For instance, considering the constraint here, this constraint narrow down the feasible region, consequently alter the optimal solution from z is equal to 12.66 to z star is equal to 9.5. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are any question and need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us by email or by form by filling the contact form in our website, which is www.optimizationcity.com. Thank you so much and goodbye for now.